Once in a while, when selecting the different labelers to go from the top and the bottom, operators will accidentally hit the select button down here. And when they hit that select button, you can see that the box goes away.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vandenberg Scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vandenberg Scales in the past. Since 2015, Vandenberg Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vandenberg Scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vandenberg Scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vandenberg Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vandenberg Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vandenberg Scales wayprice labeling product.
So you have like your dot over here, and then you won't be able to select your labeler to go to your connection. So they'll think that you can't get back to your labeler, see right now. So the way they fix that is make sure that you're see, like on device number 2, which would be our top labeler, if you hit that select button right here, and you take your finger or a pen and just take and draw a box after you hit that select button, then your square box will be back around your labeler. Now you can switch back and forth to your devices and just hit the connect button to get to that device when you're done.